Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is ILHAM SAFIAH BINTI ZAINAL, matric number 1210558, class KSC1 MSC1, and now I'm presenting the topic relation for subject SKJ 2053 Discrete Mathematics. What we will learn today: what is relation, types of relation, examples on relation, and the conclusion. What is relation? Relation is a correspondence between a first set X, called the domain, and a second set Y, called the range, such that each member of the domain corresponds to at least one member of the range. Relations can be represented in three forms, which is arrow diagram, ordered pairs, and graph. Types of relation. There are four types of relation exist: one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one, and many-to-many. This is the example of the relation for one-to-one, many-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. Next, we will take a look at the example. The relation between set P and set Q is square root of. So they are given set P 1, 4, 16, 36, 64, and set Q is -6, -1, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 8. And A express the relation in ordered pairs. So the way to put it in ordered pairs, basically we'll just need to do the open bracket, and then we will arrange it by one, 1, -1, 1 to 1, 4 to 2, 16 to 4, 36 to -6, 36 to 6, 64 to 8. And then we close the bracket. For question B, state the type of relation. In order to state the type of relation, we need to do the arrow diagram first. So let's do it. Do two circles for set P and one for set Q. And then we will jot down the numbers, which is 1, 4, 16, 36, and 64 for set P. Then moving on to set Q, write down -6, -1, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Okay, when it's done, we just need to pair the set P to set Q according to the ordered pairs that we have done before. Say do the arrow 16 to 4, and then 36 to -6, and then 36 to 6, and lastly 64 to 8. Okay, now we can know what is the type of the relation. The type of the relation is one-to-many, as one object goes to many images. Example 2 shows the relation between set A and set B in the graph form. So we will figure out how to do it together. Question A, the relation in arrow diagram. First, of course, we need to do the arrow diagram, and we need to pair it together. 1 to U, 1 to S, and then 3 to T, and 5 to W, according to the graph above. And don't forget to label it as set A and set B. Next, question B asks us to do the image of 1. Okay, so set A is equal to object and set B is equal to image. So when we were asked to list down the image of 1, we can simply look at set B So the image of 1 is 1 goes to S and 1 goes to U. Next, for C, range of the relation. For this case, the range of the relation is set B that has been paired to A. So we can see here, the one that has been paired is W, U, T, and S. So the range of the relation, we write it open bracket W, U, T, S, and then close the bracket. To conclude, as the foundation of discrete mathematics, the relation is one of the most important concepts to grasp. Learning relations may not be the same as when we practice it. Thus, we need to make as many practices as we can. There are many more branches to the relation than the ones I've discussed. So make sure to do some research and learn more to earn more. I hope my sharing has broadened your knowledge and made it be useful. Thank you. Remember to learn more in order to earn more.